How to fix no SIM card, invalid SIM, or other SIM not detected error on your iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to App Hacks. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix the no SIM card error on your iPhone. So let's get started. First thing you might want to do is go to your settings. After you go to your settings, just scroll down till you find General, and under General, scroll down again till you find Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on it and tap on Reset. Now here you will need to reset your network settings. Now there might be a problem with your network setting on your iPhone, so that might be the reason your SIM card is not detected. So tap on reset and reset your network settings. The other step is that you'll need to restart your iPhone. To do that, open up your assistive touch, tap on this device, tap on more, and tap on restart. You can simply shut down your iPhone and then just restart it again too. After you do that, your problem should get fixed. But if it does not get fixed, what you'll then need to do is just take out your SIM, clean it a bit, and then just put it back inside. And that will basically fix the problem itself. And that is all for this video too. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this video helped you. If it did, leave a like down below and stay tuned for more upcoming videos. Bye bye.